We are done with part 10 of our basic task. Now let us move on to part 11, that is displaying and editing a part body. So select part 1 in the specific tree and click on properties. The property dialog box will open, which has mass, mechanical, graphics, project and color management. By clicking on mass, we can edit the density and the volume of the part body, and if you have applied a material to the part. By clicking on mass, we can edit the density and volume of the part body if you have applied a material to the part. If a material is applied to the part body, this material will be taken into account for the density calculation. If both the part and the part body have the material applied, the part material will have the priority. Now click on the product tab. Here we can change the part name. Here we can enter a new name for the part as stiffener, S-T-I-F-F-E-N-E-R. In the part field, the new name appears in the specific tree once we click on apply. The other field allows us to freely describe the part. Enter the information describing your part in the context of your company and set the source option. You can choose between unknown, made and bought. Use the description frame to enter the additional information. Once you are satisfied with the operation, you can click on OK. Now you can see that before it was part 1, now it is stiffener. Then moving on to displaying and editing part bodies, let us open the assembly. So to perform this scenario, we have to select the body 1, right click and click on properties. The property dialog box contains tabs like mechanical, feature properties and graphics. The feature properties tab displays the name of the body. This name is editable if the part is not read only. Enter assembly 1, A-S-S-E-M-B-L-Y, assembly 1. The new name will appear in the specification tree once you click on apply. The applications also displays the date and creation of the last modification. Now click on graphics tab. Here we have fill color, edge color, line type, weight, line and curve color, line type and weight, point color and symbol, show and pick attributes and set as default. Imagine we fill color with yellow and we keep the edges as red, and once we click on apply and OK, these application takes the modification into account and displays the new body name and also the modifications made. So let us hide fill color and the edge color. This is about displaying and editing body parts. Now for displaying and editing feature properties, we can open the properties, select the feature that is pad 2 and click on properties. Here we have mechanical, feature properties and graphics. The mechanical tab displays the update status of the pad that is deactivated. Checking this option will prevent the application from taking deactivated features into account during an update operation. The to update indicates that the selected feature is up to date, and unresolved indicates the selected feature cannot be computed by the application. So you cannot control the last two options. The symbol displayed in front of each attribute may appear in the specification tree in some circumstances. Now when we check the deactivate, you will note a new frame is displayed providing additional information. The application actually warns you that the operation will affect the only child of the pad, that is the hole. So if we click on apply and close, you can note that the pad 2 is deactivated and the hole is also deactivated. Now click the feature property and we can name it as new pad and click on OK. You will have the renaming over here. Now this is all about displaying and editing feature properties.